Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can view your matches on the Bumble dating app. So let's start. First of all, open the Bumble app and then go to the chat section. The people that you have already matched with on the dating app will appear in the chat section. If you have multiple matches, then you will see the profiles of those people in a queue on the top side of this chat section. For example, take a look at this screenshot. As you can see, there are profiles of multiple people arranged in a queue on the top side of the chat screen. So you can view all of your matches by simply scrolling through the profiles in a horizontal way. You can start talking or messaging with any person by simply tapping on the profile on the match queue section. So it's a pretty simple step, and as I already discussed, you can view your matches on Bumble through the chat section in match queue. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future videos.